Hello, my name is Eric Rudolph, and I'm an experienced estate planning attorney, here to help you better understand how to plan your estate. The question that every parent worries about is who will raise my children when I am gone. If you provide for the guardianship of your children now, you won't need to worry.
If you die leaving minor children and the other parent survives you, the other parent will most likely raise and support them. If the other parent is not living, your minor children will require a guardian. A guardian is an individual who is appointed by the court to take custody of minor children. The guardian is required by law to provide for the minor's health, education, maintenance, and support.
Appoint a guardian for your minor children in your will. If you do not have a will, or you do not appoint a guardian, then the court will make the selection of a guardian for you. Since the court may appoint someone you do not want raising your children, it is very important to appoint a guardian in your will. It is important that each parent have a will nominating the same guardian.
If both parents pass away at the same time, there should not be conflicting nominations for a guardian in their respective wills. If this happens, it can lead to a court battle over the conflicting nominations and result in the court nominating someone other than who you want raising your children.
However, it is easy to assume responsibility for this important decision in your estate plan. As an experienced estate planning attorney, I can help you include this in your estate plan, so you will have peace of mind that your children will be raised by who you want to raise them in the event that you or the other parent pass away.
When determining who you want to raise your children, you may wish to look first at your family, such as brothers, sisters, or cousins. You may also wish to consider friends with children in the same age range as your children. You should always consult with the proposed guardian to ensure that the person is agreeable to assuming this significant and important responsibility. If you are designating a husband and wife to serve as co-guardians, you should specify that both of them are to serve only if they are still married to each other at the time of the appointment. Otherwise, consider appointing a successor guardian in the event they are not still married. If both parents die, your minor children may also be left with substantial property interests that need management and protection. You may wish to consider whether you want the same person to care for your children and manage their property interests.
And remember, it is always a good idea to tell the proposed guardians that you are naming them in your will as a guardian, even if you've already discussed the matter with them.
For more information on guardianships, visit my website or contact me.